can still remember how the music used to make me smile. And I knew if I had my chance, if I could make those people dance, and maybe they'd be happy for a while. February made me shiver with every paper I delivered. Bad news on the doorstep, couldn't take one more step. And I can't remember if I cried when I read about his widowed bride. But something touched me deep inside the day the music died. And everybody was singing, bye, bye, it's American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. And the good old boys would drink whiskey and wine, singing, this will be the day that I die. This will be the day that I die. You got love and you have faith in God. The Bible tells me so. Do you believe in rock and roll? Can you save your own soul? Can you teach me how to dance real slow? 'Cause I know that you're in love with him, 'cause I saw you dancing in the gym. You both see those shoes, and I ain't no rhythm of blues. I was an old teenage drunk with a pink combination and a pickup truck. I knew I was out of luck the day the music died. And they were singing, bye, bye, Mr. American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. And you know, boy, I dream to see a bride, singing, this will be the day that I die. This will be the day that I die. Now for 10 years we've been on our own, and Oscar on standing on the Rolling Stone. But that's not how it used to be. And all the just the same for the king and queen on the court. We borrowed from James Deal with the voice that came from you and me. And while the king was looking down the jester's skull, his only crown of courtroom was a dress